Good. So we work from that chart. So as you can see on that chart, that's the picture of a machine. And it will be 35 by 26 centimeters. The stitches are 198 by 148. And we use tapestry yarn. So what you can see here are the different colors, the numbers of the colors, which correspond always to one thread. So you have the black square, that's black, and the arrow, that's a kind of gray. So it is possible with the symbols to identify it on the chart. The stitch that we are using is pointe coblin. You always go over one grid. You go up diagonal and you go down straight on the back. You can do it also in the other direction, but it's always over one cross. You can do it in that direction, you can do it in that direction, you can go up, you can go down. Just make sure that you have always just one cross. So when we are working now on our canvases, we have here a chart. So if you look here, you have these pink lines, and it's 10 by 10, so it's always one square that's represented here. So let's say I want to continue now, and I will continue with that symbol, and I need to find where I am. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and 1, 2 to the right. As you can see, there are already the black ones, so I have to fit in here. And what is really important is that you always try to work with one hand up and one down, because then you're just much faster in working. When I'm finished with that line, I move, and now I go here, and then here. And when you do it for a long time, it's really like meditation, because you always do the same movement. You just have to look where you have to place your next stitch, and you can really focus on just that thing. Where is my next stitch? So then if I'm done with that color, I just turn around and I just put the thread under. And cut it.